Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen the carbide tipped teeth for a stump grinder. So you can see this one is dull. The camera doesn't like the focus very good. So it's dull. And I'm going to use the regular grinding wheel to shave off some of the steel here and use the green wheel to sharpen the carbide that's brazed onto the steel. And I got this handy little bolt thing here to hold on to it so I don't grind my fingers off. Take that a bit. Put my gloves on so I don't grind my fingers off. And here we go. So now that part's shiny, the steel holding is shiny. And I don't know if you noticed, but there were sparks on the green wheel. There's no sparks for sharpening the carbide. And now we can see that the carbide is shiny and it's getting sharper. I gotta do that about 4 passes like that. And it'll be sharp.